Hey guys, this is Will. I'm a technician over here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Just an auto enthusiast, and I just enjoy all vehicles, all types of builds. And this one I had to do a review on. This came out of, I believe, Arizona. It is a 1988 Land Rover Defender. It's a 110. It was built by TopHat Europe, which is a well-known Land Rover specialist. They do full frame-off Resto mods. This one's painted in a beautiful Astoral blue. I mean, it is spotless. Got an awesome roof rack.